doing more fencing. So those posts are in there nice and solid, but we want to put fencing across here, make it look very similar to what we have over here that we did prior, and you know, get to look really nice like that. Add the wood trim to it and everything. We definitely don't have enough 1x6s to do that, so we'll probably need a few more pieces of this to get the whole thing finished, but we're going to start just by getting the fencing on there. Somehow we're stretching between over here. We're going to basically use probably like a 10-inch screw to attach the new post to the existing fence post, and then run you know, the fencing from there over to this side. We'll give this post some backup somehow, either with the truck, zero-turn mower, something like that, to get the fencing stretched. And then we'll start doing the trim. Might be all we get done today, because we're going to be getting some more rain later. That'll be good, because we need to do like another 4,028 post holes to finish everything. So
look at these clouds right here. It's telling us, well, they're saying 7:30, but originally they said 4, so we'll see what time the rain starts, because it's coming. Yep. It's coming from that direction actually, but all of this that's above us is pretty ominous looking already. Anyway,
and here's the other thing. If the rain does come while we're working on this, Christy made a silly little skit over here, if you look this direction.
So let me just double check your order. So you would like a burger, a large fry, and a strawberry shake?
Yes.
Okay, that's $27,000 I have to pay for all this wood.
Okay. So I'm hoping the rain shows up earlier than we expect, so we can stop this and then we can go get a burger, fries, and a shake someplace. That'd be very good. Like that idea. I don't know how everybody else moves their fencing, but I just tend to kick mine with a basic front kick to keep it going.
Like a true martial artist.
Like a true martial artist, yeah. Just get it over there.
Alright, we have been rained out, which we knew it was coming. They said 4:30, and then they said 7:30, and it started at 3. So the difference was 3. Maybe there's code there, I don't know. Go stand under this awning. We were able to get it stretched to that post. But we still have to figure out how to do these 2 bays or spaces, I don't know what you call it, between fence posts. Being that it's right up against the shipping container. So, research, and I think I know something that we need to do, but I'm not sure, so research that, and I'm gonna run quickly over to the other side and show you what we did there to kind of attach this fence to the existing one. So from that post on, it looks really good. Nice and straight and tight. And of course this has to be trimmed off because it's way too long, and so is the post. This post has to be trimmed too. It'll all be the same height as the shorter one on the right hand side. But he just put a piece of 1x6. I would say it's like a 1x6x3 or 2.5 in there, and we made sure it was plumb. And then he drilled 3 10-inch screws all the way through. So that's good. And we still have to put more fencing staples on here. But with the thunder and lightning and rain, we decided we'll just cut off right here. So stay tuned. Stay tuned to our next episode of
We don't know what we're doing.
We don't know what we're doing, but we're doing it anyway.
We already told them we got 3 sections.
Yeah.
We just don't know how to do the last 2.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
But it gets pretty bad when you're using your truck for your weight and your come along is starting to pull your truck sideways a little bit.
And your fence still isn't
And the
tight.
fence still isn't tight. Yes.
Yeah.
We'll figure out the other 2 sections somehow, some way.
Yeah, I think I have an idea, but I have to research it a little bit.
But she's got to research it. We research how other people did it, and then we come up with a stupider way.
A dumber way.
Bye.